streets, we climb to the rooftop, feeling the heat. Cucumber seedlings in our small hands, loving this life we both understand.
The raindrops falling as we plant with care, laughing together in the open air. Watering dreams with hope so true, our rooftop garden where love grew.
Cucumber, cucumber, green and strong. Seedling, seedling, where we belong. Watering, watering, hand in hand. Growing love in this concrete land.
Neighbors peeking from the windows near, seeing our joy and feeling the cheer. Rooftop garden, a life of calm, with cucumbers growing in the palm.
City buzzing, but we find our peace. Under the sky, our love's release. Concrete world beneath our feet, but up here, life's so sweet. Cucumber, cucumber, green and strong. Seedling, seedling, where we belong. Watering, watering, hand in hand. Growing love in this concrete land. Cucumber, cucumber, green and strong. Seedling, seedling, where we belong. We belong. Watering, watering, hand in hand. Growing love in this concrete land. Saturday morning in the city streets, we climb to the rooftop, feeling the heat. Cucumber seedlings in our small hands, loving this life we both understand.
The raindrops falling as we plant with care, laughing together in the open air. Watering dreams with hope so true, our rooftop garden where love grew.
Cucumber, cucumber, green and strong. Seedling, seedling, where we belong. Watering, watering, hand in hand. Growing love in this concrete land.
Neighbors peeking from the windows near, seeing our joy and feeling the cheer. Rooftop garden, a life of calm, with cucumbers growing in the palm.
City buzzing, but we find our peace. Under the sky, our love's release. Concrete world beneath our feet, but up here, life's so sweet. Cucumber, cucumber.